Question 6. The first thing is you should be spotting that sine 2 theta. So you replace sine 2 theta with 2 sine theta cos theta, right? So if I now write out where I've got to, so 2 times 5 is 10. There we go. So where have we got to now? We've got 10 sine theta cos theta is equal to 9 tan theta. I'm going to replace that tan with sine over cos. Sine theta over cos theta. Now, something to be really careful about on these questions is do not start thinking about dividing by sine in cos, because you can end up missing solutions, i.e. when it's equal to 0. So just be a little bit careful about that. I can multiply by cos. So let's start off with this here. So it gets rid of that yucky denominator. So we do that. And let's get everything so it's sine. So let's replace cos squared with 1 minus sine squared. So that gives us 10 sine theta 1 minus sine squared equals, there we go. If I multiply this out, and I'm going to take it over onto this side just to avoid having a negative 10 there, that's going to give me 0 equals 10 sine cubed theta, because I've multiplied this out here. I can do the same with this, and then it's going to be minus sine theta. So I can have 10 of them, and I'm taking it away from both sides. So I get this stage here. Right, rewrite this. So I've got sine theta, and then inside the bracket we can have 10 squared and a minus 1. So what are we doing now? We're trying to interested in when this is going to be equal to 0. So let's think about this bit being equal to 0 first. So if sine theta is equal to 0, that would give me possible solutions of theta to be 0. And it would also, I could work with minus 180 and 180. Really easy to miss possible solutions on this. Now let's go and have a look at when this one is equal to 0. So what possibilities are we going to have there? What if you add 1 to both sides and divide by 10? It gives me sine squared theta is equal to 1 over 10. So square root both sides. So sine theta must equal, now we're going to have a plus minus on the 10 there. Now the easiest thing to do here is just consider both possibles. So let's say it's equal to 1 over 10, and let's say sine theta is also equal to minus 1 over 10. And then go and explore the different possible answers that we could have there. So we're going to have 18.4, 161.6, and then minus versions of that as well. There we are. There we go. Right, so we've got all of these solutions. So there's quite a few. Really easy to miss them out. Now on part B, let's just have a look, see what it says. It says deduce the smallest possible solution for this equation. Well, the difference is that we got x minus 25 for theta. Now it's the same, isn't it? Just look to see what's replaced. Okay, it's exactly the same. So in other words, theta is x minus 25. Now we've just solved this. So x minus 25 is equal to, now you could go through each one of these and try and work out which one's the best. So that's going to be miles away. Remember, I want it to be it's just the smallest positive. So it's obviously not going to be that. So no, it could be that, right? 0. That would give me a good one in terms of what x could be. I reckon you'll find you could just go through and just try them all out. But if you look at this one here, make it minus 18.4, add 25 to both sides, And I think you'll find that x equals 6.6. And you're not going to get smaller than that.